Hello everyone, Pacer Rail Fanning here. I'm here at the Mill Street Railroad crossing here in Ecorse, Michigan. We got a Norfolk Southern train coming here. There goes the middle. Here goes the second track signals. They just activated, so the train's still stopped on the shoreline, guys. Here comes an NS train. As you guys can see, the Mill Street middle flashers are wired correctly here at the Mill Street crossing. Here comes lead engine 4421. Central Georgia NS Heritage Unit. We got dialite LEDs on the Norfolk Southern signals. He's heading towards the River Huge Yard. This is train number 6 for me today. Take your cars. We got box cars loaded up with steel coils. The end of the Norfolk Southern train. The end of the Norfolk Southern train is right down there, guys. As soon as the NS train leaves the circuit, these middle signals should shut off. All right, that's the last car. All right, guys, the second signal should shut off. All right, it just turned off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more rail fanning videos, so stay tuned.